Here I've got MOTOROLA Razr, and let me show you all the secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, and let's go to keypad then. We can start with the first code node, which is *##, *4636, #*#. And as you can see here, you can test your device, so you can check the phone information, user statistics, Wi-Fi details, test alerts, and also NFC settings. So let me start with phone details, and here you've got email number, phone number if your SIM card is included, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, voice network type, and so on. Then you can also run a ping test here. Just click on the run ping test, and here you've got the answer. So that would be all for this now. Let's go back. Then you can open user statistics, and here you've got detailed information about your applications. So if you would like to check, for example, usage time or last time used of some app, smoothly located here. You've got all apps included in this list. So for example, if you would like to check downloads, so here you've got the date and the usage time. And this is it. This will be all for this one, for this mode. Now Wi-Fi information, so here you can check Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. Wi-Fi status also allows you to perform a ping test, so smoothly click on run ping test, and here you've got the answer. You can also refresh stats, and here you've got the details. So this is it. Let me go back. Then under test alerts, just click here. You can show CMS test alerts. And under NFC settings, you can change the NFC settings, so smoothly unmark some of them or mark them, whatever you want to perform. So this is it. That would be all for the first code, for the phone information. And let me enter the second one, the pretty short code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with email number and also serial number. So if you would like to check unique numbers assigned to your Motorola Razr, smoothly enter this 5-digit long code, and then you will be provided with everything. Tap on OK, and now let me open the calendar. It is *##, ***5, ***. And here you've got calendar details, so if you would like to check all upcoming events, smoothly enter this code, and then you will be provided with whole details. And another code is *##, *426, ***. And here we've got diagnostic mode, so you can check events and also status here. And if you would like to open advanced view, just click on the more icon, mark advanced view, and here you have unlocked, so you have further information here. So this is it for this one. And the very last code, but extremely useful, is *##, 24886, ***. And here you got the testing mode, so if you have any issues with the features in your device, smoothly enter this code, and here you can check it. So for example, if you would like to activate menu mode, here you can check, for example, the version of your device. Here you've got it. Or if you would like to check the vibrator, here you've got it, and as you can see, it's working properly. Then you can check the headset, GPS, camera, Bluetooth, battery. So let me show you the battery details. Just click here, and here you've got battery level, voltage, health, plugged, present, status, technology, and also temperature. And this is how you can use this mode, so smoothly locate the feature that you would like to check, click on it, and then you will be provided with details. So this is it. That would be all. Smoothly enjoy those codes and use them as often as you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.